interest of the people of the state.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday attended the International Day of the World's Indigenous People organized by Northeast Indigenous Peoples Forum Meghalaya chapter at Multi-Conventional Hall, Nehu, Shillong. Addressing the gathering, Conrad K. Sangma said that when it comes to the indigenous people, the different political parties or organizations or forums have the same goal, that is to preserve the identity. He urged the NEIPF to push for documentation on the identity of the different indigenous people of the Northeast. He informed that the government of Meghalaya is working together with the 3 autonomous councils to document the different aspects of the culture and tradition of the indigenous people of the state. The Chief Minister also released a book, Indigenous 2023, during the occasion.
It's about who you are, about your roots, about what makes you different from, say, another community. I will not use the word tribe because indigenous people are tribals and some are not tribals, because that's just a classification being come out by Government of India, but indigenous is indigenous. So any community, the identity of who we are, what we are, our roots, that is what really this is all about.
Meghalaya is trying to complete the implementation of